welcome back to my channel. I am Niharika and it would mean a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel. So if you all don't know, I was a big Shein addict. I mean, I only used to shop from Shein or local markets here and there. I never shopped from other websites. I mean, I shop from other websites but not for Western wear. So when Shein got banned, I was like, oh my god, what am I going to do now? So what I'm doing right now is I'm exploring new websites and new portals from where I can shop. So I thought, why not share it with you guys, because obviously you all also want to know from where you can shop from now on. So yes, today's website is Lulu and Sky. I shopped from them. I've got quite a lot of pieces, and let's just get started with the video and let me tell you what all things I've got and how I like them, how I do not like them. Yes! Okay, so the very first thing that I have for you guys is this black dress. It's completely sheer. I mean, it's lacy dress. So a disappointment that I would like to tell you guys is I thought it's like this. I thought there's lining inside this dress or bodycon dress that's there inside, but then no, there's no lining. It's completely sheer. I have to wear my own bodycon dress that is a black or whatever color you would like to wear inside it, and then only I can wear it. But then guys, I love the fitting of this dress, and it's quite affordable as well. I will put the rates on the screen somewhere. Also guys, I'll put all the links in the description box of these outfits and the app or website of Lulu and Sky, so that if you want anything from what I have got, you can just click on the link and you'll get it. So coming back to this dress, it has a zipper at the back, which is amazing because I'm very skinny, and when it comes to dresses and kurtis, I mean, I just cannot put my hands through them because I'm very skinny and they are like itna patla. So isliye. So I like it overall, but I'm just quite disappointed because I wanted a lining inside. अब मुझे एक black bodycon dress खरीदना पड़ेगा. The one I'm wearing right now, it's very old and I don't like that. So yes, moving on to the next item that we have is this dress. Okay, so one thing, just look at this picture. I thought it's attached, मतलब मैं इसको सिर्फ एक तरीके से पहन सकती हूँ, but guys, it's not attached. मैं इसको अलग अलग तरीके से भी पहन सकती हूँ, and in short I've got two pieces, so I am super happy for that. So if you know me, you should know that I love sheer skirts. I mean, I have the same pattern in black which I got from Shein, obviously, but now I have white also. Okay, coming to the outfit, I love oversized hoodies and dresses, I mean t-shirt dresses, and this is so perfect. It's oversized, it's loose, it has a hood, and I love the color. Especially I love pastel colors guys, and overall if I wear it with this, it looks super cool. It's very casual with chic effect, you know. I love the combo. Yes, and it was also affordable. I thought it's a dress. That's when I thought it's affordable, but then I have got two pieces in the same amount, guys. What else do you want? It's perfect. Okay, moving on to the next. I think this is one of my favorite purchases from Lulu and Sky. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Ta-da-da! Guys, look at this sling. I mean, इसको देखकर ना मुझे बहुत लग्जरी वाली फील आई थी, मतलब कोई लग्जरी ब्रांड का स्लिंग बैग है. ओके, सो इट्स अ केस sling bag, and I can use it as a makeup box also, makeup vanity also, but then I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a sling. I mean, it looks so cool. The material is super good. It feels like it's leather. I'm not sure if it's leather or not because I'm not sure if we get leather so cheap. But yes, I love this. It looks super cool. I think I'm gonna use this everywhere, on every outfit, wherever I go. I love it! Okay, without further blabbering, let's just get on to our next item, which is... Okay, so I probably should not have bought this, but I loved it when I saw it, so I got it. And it's a sweater, guys. I mean, I am not even sure if I'll be in Delhi when it's winter, if I'll be gone back to Mumbai and it's hot there always. और ये इतना thick है ना, ये इतना thick है कि मतलब I am not sure कि मैं ये दिल्ली की सर्दियों में भी पहनूंगी कि नहीं पहनूंगी, but I really hope कि मैं हिमाचल का एक ट्रिप लगा दूँ जहाँ पर मैं ये पहन लूँ. So why I loved it? It has these holes. I mean, किसी को लगेगा कि ये फटा हुआ है, but ये फटा हुआ नहीं है. It's the pattern, guys. See, it has these holes. It has these patches. I love patchwork. Look at these. This is so damn cool, guys. Woo! Look at the sleeves. It's so, rugged. What's that? So, rugged pattern. I loved it, but this is very heavy, guys. अगर आपको heavy woolen clothes नहीं पसंद, so don't go for this. I mean, it's literally very heavy. कोई और ये बहुत बड़ा भी है in size. So I love oversized outfits, oversized clothes. I'm not sure about you, so get your hands on it if you love oversized clothes and rugged materials. Yes. So moving on to the next item, guys. I got booties. Look at the color. Oh my god. So I love booties. I have booties in black color, maroon color, I have brown color, and I saw this color and it's amazing. It's olive. I think it's dark olive. It's superb and it's very comfortable as well. I'm sure I'm going to wear this a lot. And booties are so easy to wear. I mean, if you just wear anything casual and wear booties, you just do not have to do anything. You're already a superstar. I mean, this just enhances the look, the overall look of your outfit. I seriously love booties because of that. I'm in the size 38 and I ordered 38 and it fits perfectly. If you are wondering if the sizes are a little bit up or down on Lulu and Sky, it's not. I mean, the booties fit perfectly. So the next item that I've got in footwear is these heels. I mean, why I ordered these, to be very honest, is because of the contrast that they have. मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये पहनकर इतनी ज़्यादा मस्त लगेंगी, guys. They look amazing. I mean, I do not have heels like this. मेरे पास ज़्यादा heels है भी नहीं, to be very honest. This must be my third or fourth pair maybe. I don't wear heels that much. I am more of a comfortable person. But then these babies right here, they look so amazing and they fit perfectly. So the best part, guys, ये already scratched है, तो slip होने का तो कहीं से भी कोई भी chance ही नहीं बनता. I loved this thing about it, and this buckle, it's so sweet. I mean, मेरे को ना सारी चीज़ें बड़ी पसंद सी आ गई है Lulu and Sky से, and बहुत affordable भी है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि affordable नहीं है. सिर्फ एक चीज़ जो खटकी वो था, वो black dress के नीचे lining नहीं है. So I think that was my mistake. I didn't check the description of the outfit. I should have checked that. तो आप कुछ भी खरीदोगे तो सबसे पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन अच्छे से पढ़ लेना, अपना साइज चार्ट देख लेना, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज ऑर्डर साइज चार्ट देखकर, एक बार नहीं हर आउटफिट में साइज चार्ट चेक करना, बिकॉज एवरी आउटफिट हैज डिफरेंट साइजेस and you do not want to get a wrong size for yourself. Yes, I think that's it for today's video. I really hope I helped you in one or the other way. If you want more such hauls of different websites and me reviewing them, just comment down below and I'll just get my hands on the products of the website, wear them, review them, and whatever you would want me to do. I'm always there for you guys. I hope you know that, right? You know that, you know that, you know that, right? Okay, so you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So the weekly shout out goes to Anabia Khan and Lucky. Anabia wants a tutorial of PicsArt. You'll get it, Anabia. And Lucky says the orange color आप पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Thank you so much. I'll wear more of orange if you want. And I love you guys. Bye.